Hey guys, Neil here. Welcome to my channel, The Caffeinated Sysadmin. This is gonna be my last video for the year 2023, but this is also my first debugging video for my channel. And I'll show you how I'll be able to fix the issue when I was working on a BPF Python code. eBPF is Extended Berkeley Packet Filter, and it's it's a feature in the Linux kernel where you can tap to its, like for example, telemetries and other stuff where it can help you with observability, security, and many more. All right, so let's get started. So when I downloaded this package or project, I was running a Python code. I was running the hello Python code, and I was getting some issues. And I was using a virtual environment at that time. Okay, that was like 2 days ago. And and so let me switch first to let's activate the environment. Okay, yeah, this one, right? It's activated, and then um, let's switch to chapter 2 where I was running the Python code hello py, and then I encountered an issue running Python. All right, it says no name module um, name BCC. All right, and then what we would do is pip install that module. I'm new to eBPF, so the libraries that I'm installing is I was hoping that this is actually the BCC that I'm looking for, BCC, right? So now when we do a pip freeze, again, I'm in a virtual environment. So there you go, it's BCC. But if I ran it again, I'm now getting a different error. So normally what we have to do, we would actually search this in like Google, and I found this I found this document. And then I followed every steps here with no luck. Okay, my Linux kernel, which is running version 6, does have all this configured, and I actually got my kernel so that um, I can take advantage of the BPF functionality in the kernel. And if you want to know what is eBPF, yeah, this is the site to go. And then, yeah, just read that. That won't be part of my video today. So then, I was wondering why it's not working. So what I did is I did I searched for how to install BCC and few other stuff that might be related to the issue, and then I came across this problem. Oh, sorry, article. So I installed this Debian package. I'm on Debian. Okay, I'm on Debian 12. And then after installing this, following this instruction, it still didn't help. I was still getting that. I was like, what the? I've already wasted like almost 18 hours. So I became very interested in this package, Python 3 BFCC. So what I did is I listed all the files that it actually installed. Okay, so app file list. I ran that, and then it gave this output, and then I got very interested in BCC. Okay, so what I did is what if I force this one? So Python path, using Python path environment variable equals this path, and then followed by Python hello.py. Okay, that's a different error um, because I'm not root. Okay, so what I did is I added sudo and then I ran it again. It's working now. BPF triggered by, yeah, all right. So let me close it. That means these this package isn't really needed. So pip uninstall BCC. So that means this package here is what we really need. It might be different from a different Linux distro. For us using Debian, that's the package that we need to install. So now if I run it again, it's still working. Okay. Hello, the caffeinated sysadmin. Just want to show you that it's not scripted. It's not fake. There you go. So that fixes it. Um, the next thing I did is, although this is not recommended, I'll explain the problem now. The Python 3 BFCC installs, which is installed by apt-get install. It will install it to our Python installed in the system. So now I didn't realize it was actually doing that until I ran apt file, right? Like this. So what I had to do is, what if I turn off or deactivate that, and then py env shell system. Now I'm now using the Python in my shell. So we can which system, also which Python, and then this is version 3.11.7. We can do this Python minus C and then import BCC. No errors, right? Now print BCC dot file. There you go. So it matches whatever we saw earlier in the app file this command. So now if you want to make it work in your virtual environment, either you specify the Python, yeah, this path, you can export it, or another way, which I don't recommend, is you can use symbolic link. So let's enable the um, the virtual environment again. Let's run pyenv virtualenv. I want to make sure environments. Oh, not environments. That's why virtual environment. So now we are sure that this is it, right? So pip freeze grep BCC should not show anything because we uninstalled it earlier. Okay, and then what we can do is we can trick our virtual environment with the BCC that's installed in the system by running and I have here in history, Yeah, this one. Let me make this. Let me close this first. There you go. So it's wider. Let me make it wider so you can see. Okay. So ln, that's one. Let's see. And then there's another ln. Yeah, this one. So now if we pip freeze, I don't know if it's gonna show it though. We'll see. We'll find out. Oh yeah, it did. But if you recall earlier, the BCC that was installed was version 0.11 dot something or version 0.10. So it's quite different. Now if we did pip show BCC, it will now show the BPF loader library. So that's the right one. But again, doing ln symbolic link is not ideal because you can always deactivate your virtual environment. So yeah, that's the only thing that was kind of annoying with these, and especially if someone is using virtual environments like PyEnv or the virtual, like the other, um, like this, right? You can also do it this way. So yeah, so when again you can use Python path, and then this is the way to fix the issue of the BCC library in Debian. Or I have not tried this yet. Maybe from source. I have not tried this yet. You can. No, I'm looking for not that. That's not the one. I'm looking for the configure. Um, I don't know where I found it. Maybe it's not here. Make. Yeah, this one. So maybe you can do it this way. Install kernel. Oh, this is for the BPF for enabling BPF in the kernel. No, that's not the one I was looking for. Where is it? Config. I don't know where I saw it. I'm pretty sure I saw it. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, let's go back one more and then I'll get rid of this. Yeah, I don't know why I can't find it. I'm pretty sure I saw it the other day. But anyways, so you can fix the BCC um, issue import error cannot import name BPF. It's because the BPF or the BCC library that gets installed by pif install is not the same as the one that is being installed by this one. And I'm pretty sure it is different from other Debian. Like I found other libraries which are called Python 3 BCC. See? And then I tried doing an app cache search, Python 3 BCC. I think this did not yield anything. Yeah, see, that's why it took me so many hours to figure it out. And yeah, so hopefully, guys, you will have a simple days now trying to get this issue fixed. So just have to install this library using apt-get install Python 3 BPFCC, yeah, like that. But you also have to install other libraries. Okay, and then yeah, I just follow this, and then the app file, and then the Python path. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, this one. Where's Python path? It's gone. Yeah, this one. Yep, and then yeah, when you're running a program in that talks to the kernel, you have to be sudo. Some parts will have to be executed as root. Okay. Alrighty, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this debugging, and I hope you don't have to spend so much time in figuring out why it's not working. Like, for example, there's so many things here, and hey, it's not working for me even with disappear. We did this, right? We uninstalled, it's still there. Because the problem again is that by environment, virtual environment does not know about the outside environment. So that was my issue on my machine. And I'm pretty sure you guys have similar setup like using virtual environments. We always don't want to pollute our system environment. Alrighty guys, that's it. Thank you.